Hello world, it's Jibon here with another exciting journey on Let's Discover the World Together. Today, we're setting our sights on the future, specifically the year 2024. We'll be exploring the top 5 countries that should be on your travel bucket list. These are the places that have been making waves in the travel scene, offering unique experiences that are sure to captivate and inspire. Travel in 2024 has evolved from simply visiting a location to truly engaging with it. It's about immersing ourselves in the culture, tasting the local cuisine, and connecting with the people who call these places home. It's about understanding the world better, one country at a time. Our journey takes us to diverse landscapes from bustling cities to serene countrysides, each with their own stories to tell and experiences to offer. So pack your virtual bags and fasten your seatbelts. Now get ready as we embark on a global journey to explore the top 5 countries to visit in 2024. First on our list, the land of the rising sun, Japan. A country that effortlessly combines the past and the future, Japan is an enchanting destination that never ceases to awe and inspire. Its allure lies in its unique blend of traditional and modern attractions that coexist in perfect harmony. Picture a land where centuries-old Shinto shrines and Buddhist temples stand shoulder to shoulder with skyscrapers that touch the clouds. Where traditional tea ceremonies are as much a part of daily life as the buzzing nightlife in neon-lit cityscapes. This is Japan, a country that celebrates its rich cultural heritage while embracing the new with open arms. The Tokyo Olympics, held a few years ago, have significantly boosted Japan's tourism. The event showcased not only the country's athletic prowess, but also its hospitality, efficiency, and resilience. The Games served as a testament to Japan's ability to combine tradition with innovation, and have since drawn in a wave of tourists eager to experience this enchanting country for themselves. But Japan is not just about the bustling cities and the cutting-edge technology. It's also about the serene landscapes and natural beauty that can take your breath away. One of the most iconic symbols of this is the cherry blossom season. Every spring, the country transforms into a pink wonderland, with cherry blossom trees blooming in parks, streets, and along rivers. This spectacle, known as sakura, is a sight to behold, and is celebrated with picnics and parties under the blossoming trees. Meanwhile, Japan's futuristic technology is another key attraction. From high-speed bullet trains and advanced robotics to virtual reality experiences and automated convenience stores, Japan is a playground for tech enthusiasts. The country's technological innovations are not just novelties, they are integral to the way of life, and they demonstrate Japan's forward-thinking approach. So, whether you're a history buff, a nature lover, a foodie, or a tech geek, Japan has something for everyone. It's a place where you can witness the harmonious blend of tradition and modernity, experience the warmth of its people, and immerse yourself in its captivating culture. Japan, a country where the past meets the future, offers an unforgettable journey. Next, we head over to the heart of South America, Brazil. A land of samba, football, and endless beaches, Brazil is a country that knows how to celebrate life. This land is as diverse as its people, offering an incredible mix of traditions, flavors, and rhythms that are sure to captivate your senses. Brazil's rich culture is an explosion of color and energy. Samba, the country's iconic music and dance form, pulses through the streets, especially during the world-renowned carnival. This annual festival, the biggest in the world, sees millions take to the streets in a riot of colorful costumes, rhythmic drumming, and infectious dancing. Apart from the cultural richness, Brazil's natural landscapes are a sight to behold. The Amazon rainforest, the lungs of our planet, is a sprawling biodiverse paradise that covers almost half of the country. This green sanctuary is home to an estimated 3 million species of plants and animals, and 1 million indigenous people. The vibrant city of Rio de Janeiro is another facet of Brazil that can't be missed. Nestled between lush green mountains and crystal blue sea, Rio is a city that buzzes with energy and excitement. It's home to the iconic Christ the Redeemer statue, the bustling Copacabana beach, and the flamboyant carnival parade. But what truly sets Brazil apart is its spirit. Brazilians have a zest for life that's infectious. Their passion for football, their love for music and dance, their warm hospitality, it all comes together to create a country that's brimming with life and vitality. So whether you're an adventurer looking to explore the Amazon, a culture enthusiast eager to dance the samba, or a beach lover dreaming of soaking up the sun on Copacabana, Brazil has something to offer you. Brazil, with its colorful spirit and natural wonders, is a must-visit for any travel enthusiast. Our next destination, the mesmerizing Morocco, an enchanting land that weaves together a tapestry of colors, cultures, and captivating landscapes. This North African gem is a visual feast, brimming with stunning architecture, bustling markets, and delightful cuisine that dances on your palate. Imagine walking through the winding lanes of Marrakech, an ancient city that is a symphony of sights, sounds, and smells. Majestic palaces and mosques rise against the sky, their intricate designs an ode to the country's rich history. The city's famed Medina, a labyrinth of narrow alleyways, is a hive of activity, where artisans showcase their crafts, and stalls overflow with spices, textiles, and trinkets. But the country's charm isn't confined to its cities. Venture outside, and you'll find yourself in the vast expanse of the Sahara Desert. The golden dunes stretch as far as the eye can see, undulating like waves in a surreal ocean of sand. Here, under a blanket of a billion stars, you can spend a night in a traditional Berber camp, an experience that's as humbling as it is magical. And let's not forget Morocco's mouth-watering cuisine. From the hearty tagine, a slow-cooked stew brimming with tender meat and vegetables, to the sweet, flaky pastilla, every dish is a celebration of flavors. Pair it with a cup of mint tea, and you have a meal fit for a king. The country's allure extends to its coastlines too. Whether it's the Mediterranean beaches in the north or the Atlantic ones in the west, each is a slice of paradise. Here you can soak up the sun, surf the waves, or simply watch the world go by. The gentle lull of the ocean, your only soundtrack. Morocco, where every corner tells a story, is sure to captivate every traveler's heart. It's a place where tradition and modernity coexist, where every sunset paints a new picture, and where the hospitality of its people will make you feel right at home. So pack your bags, let your wanderlust lead you, and come discover the magic of Morocco. We now journey to the Great White North, Canada, a country of contrast, where the rugged wilderness meets the bustling cityscape. A place where each corner turned unveils a new world of experiences waiting to be discovered. Let's start with Canada's diverse landscapes. From the jagged peaks of the Rocky Mountains to the endless expanse of the prairies, from the serene beauty of the Great Lakes to the rugged coastline of the Maritimes, Canada is a country that will leave you in awe of its natural wonders. The Rocky Mountains in particular are a testament to the raw power and majesty of nature. These towering giants, draped in snow, offer breathtaking views and adventures that would satisfy any outdoor enthusiast. And amidst this natural splendor, you'll find Canada's people. Canadians, known for their politeness, are also incredibly friendly and welcoming. Whether you're lost in a city or hiking a mountain trail, don't be surprised if a Canadian stops to help you out. This spirit of camaraderie and hospitality is woven into the very fabric of the Canadian identity, making every visitor feel like they're a part of the family. But Canada is more than just picturesque landscapes and friendly people. It's a country with vibrant, multicultural cities that pulse with life. Take Toronto, for instance. It's a city that celebrates diversity, where over 200 ethnic origins are represented. You can walk down a street and hear over 100 languages spoken. You can taste the world in its restaurants and experience different cultures in its neighborhoods. And then, there's the magic of the Northern Lights. This celestial spectacle, also known as the Aurora Borealis, lights up Canada's night skies with an ethereal display of colors. It's a sight that words fail to capture, and one that you have to experience for yourself. Canada, with its vast wilderness and urban charm, promises a journey of a lifetime. A place where you can climb a mountain in the morning, explore a multicultural city in the afternoon, and gaze at the magical northern lights by night. So why wait? The Great White North is calling. So, there you have it. The top 5 countries to visit in 2024. We've journeyed through the enchanting cherry blossoms of Japan, danced to the vibrant rhythms of Brazil, wandered through the exotic markets of Morocco, and stood awestruck by the majestic landscapes of Canada. Each country offers its own unique blend of culture, history, and adventure, ready to leave an indelible mark on your traveler's soul. Whether you're a seasoned explorer or embarking on your first adventure, these destinations promise unforgettable experiences. And isn't that what travel is all about? Creating memories that last a lifetime, stories that you can share and relive time and time again. So, why wait? Start planning your next adventure today. Take that leap, step out of your comfort zone, and discover a world beyond your wildest dreams. Remember, the world is full of wonders waiting to be discovered. This is Jiban signing off from Discover the World Together. Until next time, keep exploring.